MEMS are micro-electromechanical devices. They're built using semiconductor technology, but in fact they're mechanical in nature. MEMS is very much application agnostic. It's used in a wide variety of areas. The MEMS industry has been very difficult because typically you optimize the technology for one specific type of sensor, and it's been one product, one process for a very long time. And so what we're trying to do at CMC is to develop processes that are more broad in nature, that can be used for a wider variety of applications, and then to use the integration technology to try and bolt those things together to make a more complex 3D system. What we try to do is to integrate those in 3 dimensions at the packaging stage. We have systems that may require radio frequency circuits and photonic circuits and microfluidics all at the same time. And so we have a group within CMC who actually look at how these packages can be created and made to function with many different technologies on the same substrate. We are working on a number of projects where we will attempt to get quick turn, relatively simple processing of MEMS devices and then integrate them together using 3D technology so you can make more complex systems and eventually lead to a volume product. We have a wide variety of MEMS design and simulation software. We provide training in that software, and we provide very low-cost licenses, not only for academic researchers, but also for startup companies who can access the tools. And then when they want to fabricate, what we'll do is we will buy the fabrication run and we'll share it among a number of users so that everyone pays the cost for the space they've used and not for the entire run. So it greatly reduces your costs to prototype. There are a number of commercialization opportunities. Many people are providing unique prototypes that have great applications, and they just need a little bit of help to get the volumes ramped up. We have a network of about 10,000 researchers across Canada. There are lots of capabilities in Canada. Certainly one of the world's largest MEMS foundries is here, and there are lots of spin-offs, lots of companies that are taking advantage of that. The fact that we have so much capability here in Canada draws a lot of interest from outside the country, so countries come to us to do their research and their prototyping. We're trying to accelerate innovation to speed the development of new devices, to make it easier for people to commercialize devices, giving them new process technology that we would then market and commercialize around the world.